wonderful statistics experiment.
In our experiment, we wanted to see if gender was related to Chex Mix piece. There we go.
We decided to use Chex Mix for our experiment because we like it and it tastes good. I think.
The real reason though. Oh, I saw that. Reality is often disappointing.
Hey, can you fill out the survey for me real quick?
Yeah, of course. What's it for?
It's for statistics.
Oh, awesome. What are you guys doing?
It's a survey about what kind of Chex Mix you like.
Awesome. Here you go. Thank you so much. And that girl. I don't know what else.
Yeah.
That's all Matt. Matt, wake up. Matt. Hello.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
After Matt did a lot more laborious work, we found chi-squared.
So how do we go around answering this question? The answer to this is a chi-squared equation. But first we need to establish a null and alternate hypothesis. The equation on the top, called the null hypothesis, states that our two variables, gender and Chex Mix type, are independent of each other. Or in other words, one variable does not affect the other. Right below that is our alternate hypothesis, which states that one variable does affect the other. The formula to find the chi-squared value is shown below, which is the observed value minus the expected value squared divided by the expected value. The expected value for each cell in our table is calculated by multiplying the row total with the column total, and then dividing that value by the grand total. The observed value is simply the value we recorded in our table for that specific cell. After this, we then added all of our values to get the actual chi-squared value. The final chi-squared value we calculated was 8.833. To determine whether or not we should go with the null or alternate hypothesis, we compared that to values in a chi-squared value table. The column we looked in was based on our degree of freedom. This was found by multiplying our number of columns, -1, by our number of rows, -1. With that in mind, our degree of freedom is 5, and therefore our p-value is between 0.25 and 0.1. 5% level of significance is less than our p-value. Therefore,
Gender is not related to
Bye.